I hope you're not waiting for me to start talking, but probably, because that is the norm. Hello and welcome to Zona Azul Mindfulness with yours truly, Sir HexALot. Our aim is inner peace, and we use the medium of feeling connected with nature. It's 5 minutes of mindfulness, silence, with some guiding thoughts. Even if you're home, maybe you have a plant, maybe you have a nature screensaver to connect. One way, or any way, there will be a feeling in you resonating with nature. Even another human being is nature. Our oxygen is nature. Water is nature. Fire is nature. Feel the gratitude for these expressions of life in your life, our life. There's an internal fire of life beating in your heart. Feel the air with every breath. Inhale, calm. Exhale, peace. Do you know the muscles are encouraged to relax with the deep exhale? This is frequently used in yoga. Maybe the constant cascade of thoughts is a waterfall, and you can just push your hand right through it, and it doesn't resist. Watch the thoughts. Let them go. Maybe the waterfall turns into water vapor, like a steam or a mist rising as it hits the water and the rocks below. And this rises through the air into a cloud. Maybe all your thoughts are clouds, loose or fluffy or stormy or charged and sticky, and then come back down as rain, like our feelings. All of it, any of it, you can let it be. Just be here, now, with your breath. Namaste. Thank you for joining for Zona Azul Mindfulness, your Mindfulness Minutes. Call me Sir HexALot, and have a great day.